Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens. We are here to do some deals for the week of the 14th through the 20th of August. Almost forgot the month. If you didn't watch my CVS video, I thanked everyone for the birthday wishes. I'm still getting birthday wishes. Thank you so much. I had a great birthday. I got such a meaningful gift from my parents and my daughter. It's a wind chime in memory of my grandfather. My grandfather was an amazing man. He would dance with us. He would tell us stories around the campfire. I even danced with him at my wedding to the song Grandpa by the Judds after I did the dance with my dad. He was just such a special part of my life. And so they got me this wind chime. And they made me cry, and I just said, you know, as I'm getting older, I'm getting more sentimental and more weepy over everything. So it was a great gift. So we've got some amazing hot deals this week. I'm only doing one transaction today, and then I'm going to come back later in the week and I'm going to do another transaction, just so the video's not so long. But this one might be, just because of the things that are going on, and I really want to focus on talking about that as opposed to showing you a bunch of deals and then talking about that. So we're just going to focus on that first this week, and then we'll do some more deals later in the week. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box for you that will have some of today's deals, and then for the next video, there will be more deals added to that same Google Doc. So yeah, guys, let's go inside, see what we can do. So before we get into Walgreens, I wanted to show you guys how you can go to Walgreens website with using the Slick Deals browser extension, and you can discover some deals and some hidden gems while using the Slick Deals browser extension. If you don't use Slick Deals yet, just go to the link down in the description box to sign up for their browser extension. Once you have the extension downloaded, all you need to do is go to Walgreens website, and you will see up at the top right corner, there is a little tab for the browser extension to help you find deals. So the first pop-out we're going to look at once we hit the tab is the top deals at Walgreens. And you can see here deals on the photos, deals of the week, and a few other things that we might not know about of the deals that we can do at Walgreens. And the first deal I want to show you is the Axe Body Wash Scrubber. Now these deals on that little drop-down menu are submitted by other users. So when you look at this drop-down, it's going to explain in detail how the deal is going to work. So it pretty much explains in the fine print that there's a 6 off 2 digital coupon that you can clip, that they're buy one get one 50% off. It'll make these shower detailers 2 for $2.25. And then there's a comment section where other people will talk about what worked for them, what didn't work for them, and other things like that. Another deal to look at on here is the Blink eye drops. It says that they're 50 cents. So when we go to the Blink contact solution, it shows us the drop down, and it explains to us how we can get it for really cheap. We can clip the $3 digital, and then we can clip the $4 off monthly savings booklet coupon, and that's going to take $7 off, making it just 49 cents. A couple other things to take note of is the other two tabs on the Slick Deals browser. The second one is showing 2% cash back for any purchases that we make on the Walgreens website. The third one down below that is the coupon codes for the different photo deals, the different codes that we can use online that are working, and you can click on one of the codes, and the users there will tell you what it worked on and what it didn't work on. So I definitely like using Slick Deals to help me find other deals on Walgreens website. It's just another tool in our arsenal. So now let's go into the store and grab some deals. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by doing a spend 22, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. We're going to be stacking that with a paper booster, and I'm not going to lie, I'm a little nervous about this week with all the changes and everything happening with the promotions. So we're starting off with the Olay Premium Body Wash. They're buy two, get back a $4 register reward, and they're on sale for $8. I'm grabbing the Ceramide here because of the printout coupon that I have. They only work on certain scents, and the Ceramide is one of them that it works with. So both of these equal out to $16. We're going to use two $8 coupons that we got the previous week from buying Olay Facial Care. My videos last week explain how I got them. So that's going to bring our total down to $0. We'll get back a $4 register reward, making them a $4 moneymaker. Now, the purple one, it also works on. It's not working on the pink kind. It's not working on the white kind with the collagen. It is working on the itchy relief one as well. And those are the only ones that I know that it works on. So then next we're going to grab something that I haven't grabbed before at Walgreens. And that's the Raw Kids items. They're buy one, get one 50% off. Now some of them do count towards that spend 20, get back a $5 register reward and personal care. The brown one counts. The green one does not. And they're priced at $4.99 and they're buy one, get one 50% off. So one's $4.99 and the other one is $2.50. These 4 items equal out to over $20. So we should also get back a $5 register reward for spending $20 on personal care items, in addition to the $4 register reward for the Olay. And I've never gotten Raw Kids before, so I'm excited to get it for my stepson. Next, we're going to do a promotion that I first talked about several weeks ago that has been going on for July and August. And it's buy 2, get back a $3 register reward on certain Crest and Oral-B items. These little $2.99 mouthwashes are included in that, but we're going to grab 4 of them because of an $8.50 off of 4 digital coupon that I have that works for these bottles. So the total for these 4 bottles is $11.96. We're going to use that $8.50 off of 4 digital coupon. That'll take our total down to $3.46, but we'll get back a $3 register reward, making all 4 bottles just 46 cents, which I think is a great deal. So thanks to Dawn's Deals for pointing out this scenario because I think it's perfect. Next, we're going to grab the CoverGirl. The CoverGirl is not on any type of a promotion, but we are doing this in store. We're going to grab this brow pencil here for $6.29. Then we're also going to grab a translucent powder for $7.99. So the 2 of these equal out to $14.28. We're going to use 2 $2 off printable coupons, one for the face and one for the eye products. Then our total will be $10.28, but we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta and we're going to get back $3 for the face product and $3 for the eye product. Now typically I would never do this deal unless I didn't have big money makers to help pay for that. So that's why I'm doing this in store, because I'm wanting to get to the $40 mark for my paper spend booster. You could also do the CoverGirl as a curbside pickup and get it for a little bit of a moneymaker, but I wanted it in my transaction today. So this is everything that I am grabbing today. It's going to equal out to $49.73. We are going to use this paper spend booster, and I'm going to use a few register rewards to lower my out-of-pocket. So now we're going to go check out. Hopefully everything goes okay, and I will meet you out in the vehicle to go over my receipt. All right, guys, so we are back in from Walgreens, and things went better than expected. I didn't know, what to expect going in there today because of all the different things that I have been hearing and seeing since the last time I was in Walgreens. So I do want to talk about a few things regarding some of the promotions that we have going on right now first, before I get into my transaction. So the one thing that I have been hearing is with this P&G coupon is that if you got it earlier in the month and you're trying to use it now, they're not scanning. The ones that you get, say, today and you try later today to use it, it scans totally fine. My advice to you, as someone who's couponed a very, very long time and dealt with all kinds of problems, that if you get a coupon like this, and it is, it says use at Walgreens and it's obviously printed from their machines, I would simply say, I received this coupon from here. I would think that you would need to honor this coupon. If they say that they cannot enter it in any way, shape, or form, then say, please, can I have some Walgreens cash for it or something to that fashion, because it prints from the store. They should honor it. You know what I mean? So that's one thing I don't understand with this coupon, is that it comes from Walgreens registers. I don't know why they would change anything in here if it's a promotion that goes all month long. Halfway through the month, you should not be allowed by law to change that up. If you need to cancel it for whatever reason, then put something out there to tell us this promotion is no longer valid due to whatever reason. You know what I mean? So transparency, communication is key, and it's not there sometimes. Another thing that I have seen, and I have not seen it in any of the stores that I go to, but I've seen other people post pictures of it, that if you go and you purchase a Olay facial care product, it'll be, you know, on the actual tag, the price tag, it'll say, you know, purchase an Olay facial product and get a body wash for free. And then that's why it's printing out the $8 coupon. So if there is a shelf tag, and the problem is not a lot of stores probably got these shelf tags, that if you have a tag that says that, even if you don't, if you get another coupon that obviously printed from Walgreens machine, why is it only for certain scents or certain ones when it says any Olay body wash? So then we have to go through and test out the certain scents, and that really shouldn't be our job. So that was the thing with the Olay body wash coupon. It was not going to work on any of the regular sized, regular Olay body washes. It was only going to work on certain scents of the premium, and it was working on the large bottle of Olay. So I know that it is working for the ceramide body wash. So I just got 2 of these today. And then I know it's working on the itchy relief, and I do believe it's working on the purple one as well. Yes, I know other content creators have all of that information. I'm just telling you what I know. I also have heard and seen from my friend Dawn Deals that this right here, this coupon, this $8 coupon, when you buy an Olay facial product, the $8 coupon is not printing anymore, and vice versa. If you get a Olay body wash, you're not getting a facial care coupon either. And that is what happened today. I purchased 2 of these. I would only get 1 coupon anyways, but I did not get any Olay coupons today. I'm also not going to test it out with an Olay facial item to get a body wash coupon. I'm definitely not going to test that out. I got my 2 $8 coupons, and I'm happy with that. So I think I addressed everything that I wanted to address before we get into my actual transaction. Now, my actual transaction was pretty amazing, number one. So first thing I want to say right now is that my $8 coupons, both of them for my Olay body wash, came off totally fine. And what I mean by they came off totally fine is that they scanned, they did not beep, they did not go, you know, to the next screen and say not working. I didn't have to have anyone enter anything in. They scanned, they came off totally fine. So I'll show you my receipt right here. And you can see on my receipt, I have a $10 register reward. I have a $5 register reward come off, 2 $8 coupons come off, and then I had my 2 printable coupons come off for the CoverGirl. What you don't see is my $8.50 off of 4 digital coupon. That did not come off. So I contacted customer service as soon as I got out here. Man, my hair don't look that great. But I come out here right away, contacted customer service, and at first, she wasn't going to give it to me. She said she couldn't find the $8.50 off of 4 on my account, and I persisted. I persisted and just said, you know what, I have a screenshot of it. I am actually looking at it on the website right now. Sorry, this is when it expires. This is what the wording is on the coupon. It's there. She come back and she gave it to me. So since I did use $15 in register rewards to help lower my out-of-pocket, my total for this transaction was $24.41. I got back $19.20 in Walgreens cash. This is my birthday month, so that's why I got extra Walgreens cash back than someone typically would, okay? So I got back $19.20 in Walgreens cash. I got $5 for my digital booster, $9 for my paper booster, and then I'm guessing the other $5 is because 10% of what I got equals out to $5, because everything else that I got did not give me any Walgreens cash. It just wasn't supposed to. Then I got back some register rewards. I got $3 for the mouthwash. I got $4 for the Olay body wash. I got the $5 P&G coupon. And then I got the $5 for spending $20 on personal care products. So that is why I grabbed the Raw Kids items, because these two equaled out to $16. Getting the one Raw Kids item, this one right here, put me up over the $20 mark to get that. Then I got back $6 on Ibotta for the CoverGirl items. And that makes my transaction free and a $17.79 moneymaker. Almost an $18 moneymaker, guys. And that's crazy. That is just crazy big. That is just, yeah, that is just absolutely crazy. So I'm getting these things, and in my, I'm putting this in my cart, and I'm putting the other things in my cart, like the CoverGirl and this, and I'm like, man, that's kind of expensive. And no, not, like the CoverGirl's not on a promotion, you know what I mean? It's not even buy one, get one 50% off, I don't think. Yeah, it's not on any type of promotion. This is only buy one, get one 50% off, and it's like, I really hope this works out. And it did. It did. It worked out beautifully. And I've seen Coupon with Kayla get these Raw Kids items, and I'm low on this type of thing for my stepson. And I've just been wanting to grab these the last few times that she's gotten them, but my store doesn't have them. So I was so excited to grab these. So yeah, guys, I think that is all. I hope this video helped you see how you could put together a transaction with things that you need that might not necessarily be the cheapest, but it will still make for a great deal with everything that we're getting back. So I really hope this example helped you out. I am really happy with how everything went. So yeah, guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Slick Deals. Definitely check out their browser extension and use it on Walgreens website. I think it's great. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.